Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to make affidavit with name change in India, which platform providing such kind of facility. Your home, don't go anywhere. You just simply follow my tips and tricks and you can receive such kind of affidavit in your home. Which platform are providing such kind of facilities? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google, enter and type here legaldesk.com. I've already made several videos related on this platform. Click on that particular first link and here business and consumer. You just click here in the consumer option and look at this here, house rent, commercial, so many options are available here. I already make videos also. So today we will see how to change your name. You make this affidavit, change your name affidavit. You just simply click here in the affidavit section. The total price is 168 plus delivery charges if you needed some delivery charges. And what exactly they are changing: make your legal, effectable and validation, publication newspaper, public stats journal, so other variants also available here. You can read carefully in this section description and then simply select here your state, which part you are living in India. So I select here in Maharashtra. Create the document. As a create a document point of view, fill out this form like simply 100 or 50 or 200 bond paper, such kind of text are come here. So simply here you type here your old name. So I just type here my old name like Sangram, and now my new name is Sangram Singh. So I added here SING characters added, male. Put it here your date of birth like 30 and date of name change. So you can select here as a date 1st of Jan 2020. You can put it here. So which document you are providing here, simply select, type here school certificate, mention there my name correct properly as a Sangram, record on my school certificate. Here you type as a simply your father name. So I type here my father name and address where exactly you want to receive this particular document. You can type here as a reason of change. I am typing here university job. Save and next. As a save and next point of view, your is done like simply my name, my age, son of, my father name, residence address, and I am hereby affidavit declare as Sangram. Earliest my name is Sangram, recorded by my school, and then newly I am changed here after that which name you want change. So I am changing my name as a Sangram Singh from 1st of January 2022. Reason of the changing name, university job, and then properly and Sangram Singh name was same person, that is myself. You are providing here a declaration as well, and then verify. They verify and do the process and then simply process the payment. So entire document price like 198 rupees, and this document are receiving your home. Types of stamp paper you are using, 100 or 500. So simply I select here 100 rupees bond paper, same address, delivery charges and rest of things. Now I am selecting 100 rupees stamp paper. So total price is 496 rupees. I make the payment and very easily I am receiving the document within a 7 day in my home. Just like today is the 16th of Jan and 21st of Jan I am receiving this particular document in my home. Make a payment. As a make a payment point of view, you can use Phone Pay, UPI, Paytm, Google Pay, card, UPI, net banking, wallet or pay later. Such kind of facilities are available here in the payment section. You can pay and very easily receive such kind of document. It's amazing platform.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.